Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shooting videos on your smartphone but struggling with shaky footage, then this video is for you. Today, we're exploring the best phone stabilizers that deliver buttery smooth shots, pro-level control, and compact designs perfect for creators on the go. Whether you're vlogging, filming travel clips, or creating content for social media, these stabilizers will take your smartphone videos to the next level. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get into it and find the perfect phone stabilizer for your filming needs.
Number 5. Xiun Crane M2S. In the fast-paced world of filmmaking, having a reliable and versatile gimbal can make all the difference. Enter the Xiun Crane M2S, a compact and powerful gimbal designed to meet the needs of run-and-gun filmmakers. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Xiun Crane M2S is packed with power. Weighing just 549 g, 1.12 pounds, this lightweight gimbal is strong enough to hold various cameras, including phones, action cams, and mirrorless cameras. Its stronger motors and extended axes make it a must-have tool for filmmakers on the go. Handy and intuitive design. Featuring a built-in 0.66-inch display screen, the Crane M2S keeps you well informed of the status and parameters of your camera and gimbal. With various shooting modes available, including pan follow, lock, POV, vortex, and go, you can unleash your creativity and capture stunning footage with ease. Extra bright fill light. Illuminate your shots with the integrated fill light, offering 1000 lumens of brightness in a compact 2.8C light source. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. In the realm of mobile videography, having the right tools can transform your ordinary shots into extraordinary masterpieces. Enter the DJI Osmo Mobile SE, a compact and feature-rich gimbal designed to elevate your filmmaking experience. Designed for adventurers and content creators alike, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE is portable, foldable, and magnetically quick. Its compact design allows you to take it on all your adventures, while the magnetic clamp ensures easy snap-in and snap-out functionality, allowing you to capture every moment with ease. Stay on point. With upgraded tracking technology, ActiveTrack 6.0 ensures that your subjects stay in focus, no matter how energetic or playful they may be. Number 3. Xiun Smooth Q3. In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone videography, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter the Xiun Smooth Q3, a versatile and feature-rich gimbal stabilizer designed to take your content creation to new heights. Say goodbye to dimly lit footage with the Xiun Smooth Q3's innovative rotatable fill light. With a touch button and 3 adjustable brightness levels, you can ensure that your subjects are well lit from all angles, allowing you to capture stunning visuals in any environment. Gesture control. With gesture control functionality, starting a recording is as simple as a single gesture. Whether you're in a crowded street or a serene landscape, you can effortlessly capture moments without fumbling with buttons. Additionally, the Smooth Q3 offers multiple panorama modes, allowing you to create immersive and dynamic shots with ease. Always stay in the spotlight with Smart Follow 3.0. By activating this feature via the ZY Cami app with just one tap, you can ensure that the gimbal follows your movements smoothly and accurately, keeping you at the center of attention in every shot. Magic Clone Pano. With Magic Clone Pano, the Xiun Smooth Q3 allows you to clone yourself and showcase different sides of your personality. Capture multiple images and arrange them on the same screen to create engaging and visually stunning compositions that stand out from the crowd. Wide compatibility. Weighing only 0.75 pounds, 340 g, and supporting devices up to 0.62 pounds, 280 g. The Smooth Q3 is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including popular models like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy Series, Huawei P Series, and more. Whether you're an iPhone enthusiast or a Samsung aficionado, this gimbal is tailored to suit your needs. The Xiun Smooth Q3 is a game-changer for smartphone videographers seeking versatility, convenience, and top-notch performance. With its innovative features, intuitive controls, and wide compatibility, it empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning footage with ease. Elevate your videography experience today with the Xiun Smooth Q3. Number 2. Insta360 Flow Gimbal. In the fast-paced world of mobile videography, Having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Enter the Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer, a versatile and feature-packed device designed to elevate your content creation experience. Powered by advanced AI technology, the Insta360 Flow sets a new standard in subject tracking. With Deep Track 3.0, keep your subjects in frame and in focus with unparalleled accuracy and flexibility. From person re-identification to zoom tracking and slow-motion tracking, the possibilities are endless. Smooth and stable footage with 3-axis stabilization. Bid farewell to shaky footage with Flow's 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Whether you're filming at dawn or dusk, this gimbal cancels out unwanted shakes, ensuring your footage remains smooth and professional-looking throughout. All-in-one convenience with built-in accessories. Say goodbye to carrying multiple accessories. The Insta360 Flow comes equipped with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and power bank. Whether you need the perfect angle, want to set up stationary shots, or require extra juice for your phone, this device has you covered. Instant setup for seamless shooting. Gone are the days of complicated setups. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal. In the realm of smartphone videography, smooth, professional-looking shots can make all the difference. Enter the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer, a compact yet powerful tool designed to take your filming to the next level. With its upgraded Active Track 6.0 technology, the OM6 stays locked onto moving subjects with precision, whether it's your energetic kids or playful pets. You can even command it to track your own movements, enabling you to effortlessly become the star of your own film. Silky smooth shots, thanks to 3-axis stabilization. Bid farewell to shaky footage with the DJI OM6. Equipped with 3-axis stabilization, this gimbal ensures your shots remain steady and seamless, even when you're on the move. Say hello to buttery-smooth videos that captivate your audience. Gone are the days of fumbling with complicated setups. The OM6 powers on instantly upon unfolding, allowing you to attach your phone and start shooting in seconds. Capture those fleeting moments, from breathtaking sunsets to heartwarming smiles, with effortless ease. Compact, lightweight, and versatile. Weighing a mere 309 g and featuring a foldable design, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is your ideal travel companion. Its built-in extension rod offers creative angles and perfect selfies, ensuring you never miss the shot, no matter where you are. Shot guides for effortless filmmaking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, the OM6's Shot Guides feature makes filmmaking a breeze. Simply follow the suggested shot sequences tailored to your scene, and watch as your videos come to life with cinematic flair. Cinematic effects at your fingertips. Unleash your creativity with the side wheel, granting you control over focus and zoom. Experiment with cinematic blur or dramatic zoom effects to elevate your videos and impress your audience with professional quality content. Designed for comfort and durability.